Hello YouTube land and welcome to another Captain Drone giveaway contest. Well, in this contest, I'm not giving anything away, but DJI is, and DJI is going to give one lucky subscriber to the Captain Drone channel this here Osmo Pocket. Now, if you've watched my videos, you know that anytime I'm outdoors, I'm talking into a camera. This is pretty much the camera I talk into because it takes really good footage. It's even got a little bit of a depth of field like a professional camera, and it stays very stable if I'm moving around. Now, DJI is not only giving the Osmo Pocket, they're giving the expansion kit as well to the same lucky winner. And the expansion kit includes this really cool little wheel so you can move your camera around. And you also get this little tripod mount here, the holder. And you also get the Bluetooth device for remote usage, and you also get a 32 gig memory card, so you're all set. You don't really need to do much other than charge up your Osmo Pocket and you're off to the races. Now let me explain how you will be entered to win this here Osmo Pocket. It's very simple. Now what you have to do to win this Osmo Pocket is basically look below this video. When you look below this video, you're going to see there's some text and it's going to ask four questions, and the answers to those four questions are at the link provided below. So you read the four questions, then go to the link, find the answers, and then post the answers in a comment below the video. That's it, and you're entered to win the Osmo Pocket. Now this contest will run from the 15th July 2019 to the 21st of July 2019, and on the 22nd of July you should turn on your computer, look for my channel, and watch the video, because in the video on the 22nd of July I'm going to announce who the winner is. Alright, so a big thank you to DJI for providing this awesome Osmo Pocket to one lucky winner on my channel. So everybody, good luck. And watch the video on the 22nd of July to find out if you're the winner. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you at the next video.